Hello YouTube, my name is Tawana and I'm here to share week 1 of my pescatarian diet meal prep. For those of you that do not know what pescatarian diet is, it's a diet where you cut out or stop eating all meats except for seafood, and you can eat any variation of seafood that you would like. You can also have breads, pasta, rice, all of that, but I decided to keep it kind of like low carb. I don't want to include those things as much. I'm not going to say that I cut it out all together, but I'm not going to include it if I can help it. I'm going to say that. So this is 5 days worth of food that I prepared today. And I'm going to start with breakfast. Breakfast, I did the Veggie Muffins. These are just eggs, spinach, mushrooms, and peppers. You can put any vegetable that you want to put in it. And I also put cheese on the top and bake them in the oven. I put the recipe in the description box, and I plan to eat that with fruit. This week I'm doing cherries and strawberries. Last week I did watermelon, so I'm trying to switch it up so I don't get bored with it. And I also have sardines. I may incorporate that because I really like sardines. I may switch that up, on some of the days of the week. I don't know yet. But for lunch, I did tuna salad that I made, and that's just tuna, eggs, relish, salt, pepper, and mayo. And I also have tomatoes and cucumbers to eat with it. I usually just sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper on the cucumbers and just eat it like that. No crackers, no bread, no chips, just what you see here. And if I want to, I have a piece of fruit. I have nectarines and plums that I'll be doing this week. And then for dinner, I have salmon, which I baked with Parmesan cheese, butter, parsley, and garlic. I'll put the description for that in, the recipe for that in the description box. And I'm gonna eat that with broccoli. And then I have some sauteed shrimp that I just sauteed in garlic butter, and I added some parsley and a few other seasonings. And then I have some zoodles or zucchini noodles that I have sauteed with mushrooms, yellow peppers, and orange peppers. And I'm gonna alternate the meals for dinner throughout the week. And then also for snack, I have dry roasted almonds and some dried cranberries. Like I said, I'm new to this, so if anyone has any type of recipes or suggestions or anything, you can put it in the comments. I'm open to everything because, like I said, I'm just trying to find my way around this and trying to switch it up so I do not get bored, and also something that I can stick to. I decided to do this diet because it's healthy and I could literally eat seafood every day and not get tired of it. So again, if you have any suggestions or questions, leave it down below in the comments, and hopefully I'll be back with week 2 of meal prep. Thanks for watching.